Click on the gear icon to go to the Stripe settings. Then select on the business option under the account settings. On this page, tap on more option and click on the branding. So on the branding settings, you can start to design your customer facing page like your email receipts, checkout and payment links, customer portal page, invoice page, your business identity, and also the global payouts. As for the icon, you might add your symbol. For example, my brand name is my Swanflower, and this is my symbol of the brand, the modified word of M. Meanwhile, the logo on Stripe is easily contain your symbol with your brand name in it. Like this one, I'll show the full name of my brand, my Swanflower. Feel free to only upload just your logo or just your icon. Then as for the brand color, usually it includes the header backgrounds or the whole background color of your page like this. And as for the accent color, it will only changes the key, usually like a call to actions button over here. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.